My friend, this trade looks simple now. But there was a reason behind every decision. The entry, the patience, and even the exit. In this video, I'll show you exactly why I waited, why I entered, how I managed the trade, and why I exited here. This is not a random trade. This is a perfect execution. Because professional traders wait for confirmation. Let's break this down together. Chapter 1: How to read the market. Before entering, I always start here, the higher time frame, because this tells me the real direction of the market. Now look carefully here. Notice price staying above EMA 200. This tells me buyers are still stronger. And notice this structure. Higher highs and higher lows. This is important, because I do not want to sell against this market. Many traders enter first and think later. But professional traders read the market first. Now at this moment, price starts pulling back slightly. And this is where emotional traders panic. But for me, this is where I become interested. Chapter 2: Waiting for confirmation. Now at this moment, many traders would enter too early. But I'm still waiting. Why? Because I need confirmation. Now notice something important. Even though price is pulling back, the market structure is still bullish. And RSI is not collapsing. It is simply cooling down. This tells me momentum is slowing, but not reversing. And notice the Bollinger Bands. The market is becoming tight. This usually means the market is preparing for expansion. This is where many traders enter too early. They see one candle and jump into the trade. But I'm still waiting, because I need confirmation. Chapter 3: The entry. Now we move into the 5-minute time frame. This is where I look for execution. Now look carefully here. Price reacts from the zone. Momentum starts returning. And buyers begin stepping back into the market. RSI starts pushing higher again. And price closes strongly above this level. This is where probability starts increasing. This is where I enter the trade. Not because of one indicator, but because everything aligned together. And my stop loss stays below the structure. Not too tight. Not emotional. Just protected. I don't chase the market. I wait for the market to confirm itself. Entering is easy. Managing the trade is the real skill. Chapter 4: Trade Management and Exit. Now this part is important. Good entries mean nothing without patience. Notice how price pulls back slightly. This is where emotional traders panic. Notice this small pullback. This is where many traders close too early. They become emotional. They fear losing profit. But I'm still watching structure and momentum. As long as buyers remain strong, I stay patient. But now, momentum is slowing. And price is reaching resistance. So instead of being greedy, I take the clean move. So this is where I take profit. I don't try to catch every pip. I take the clean move. My friend, this trade was not luck. It was patience, structure, and confirmation. Most traders focus only on entries. But professional traders focus on execution. If you want more real XAUUSD trade breakdowns like this, subscribe and continue the gold trading course on my channel. Final truth, my friend. The trade is not the lesson. The decision making is the lesson. I'll see you in the next video.